Hello and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Priscilla Presley and I am back again today with another exciting video. I'm actually going to be making a video today, but it's a requested video from one of my subscribers. They asked me to make a DIY on carrot oil. So this is what I'm going to be doing today, and before I go any further, I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, and I wish you all the best during this holiday season. I wish you and your family the best of the best, and have a Merry Christmas in advance. So in order for us to DIY this carrot oil, I have my carrots here. They are organic. You know, I always love organic, so I always use organic in making all my DIY. So these are the carrots I'm going to be using today to make this carrot oil. And I'm also going to go ahead now and wash my carrot, and also I'm going to be taking the outer skin of these carrots before we go on to do this DIY. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please do not forget on this carrot oil. Okay guys, keep watching and I'll go wash my carrots, and when I come back I'm going to take out the outer skin, and I want to try as much as possible not to make a long video because I do not want to take much of your time. I know you guys are busy and you have a whole lot of stuff to catch up with, so I want to put you on a pause. I'll go wash my carrots, and when I come back we'll take it off from there. So thank you and keep watching. Okay, so this is the carrot here. I'm frying it. I did start the whole process from the beginning, but it so happened that my phone did not. It did film, but then refused to store. It refused to save because my storage was full. So I have to try to find a way to delete the other stuff that I have in my phone, and in order for me to be able to make this video from this point. So I'm so sorry. I did grate my carrot, but before I grated it, I washed it off. I took out the outer skin, and I'm using my sunflower seed here to do my carrot oil. You know, some people use coconut oil. You could use any kind of oil of your choice, but I'm using sunflower seed, and this is what I want to use. So if you want to do it, you could use coconut oil or any other oil you like. For me, carrot and sunflower seed contains fatty acid, which have important action on skin elasticity, restoration and regeneration. Can be used on hair and skin. And actually I'm making this version of a carrot oil. This is for someone with oily skin, and because of that I'm going to be putting some mint in it. You know, the mint leaf in here. I'm going to be doing that, and I'll make sure I film everything so you guys can see. And also, mint has a strong antibacterial properties, contains salicylic acid, in both which effectively prevents acne, and it also contains vitamin A, secretion of oil in people who have oily skin and acne prone skin. So if you have either of these problems, you should be able to use this, and it should be able to help you. So I'm going to take you to this process. I show you how I'm going to be making this carrot oil. So please keep watching, and I appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you guys. Without you I wouldn't be here today. So I owe it to you guys. Thank you so much for everything you have done for me. I see my channel is growing, my views are going up, and thank you. I'm so happy. I'm beyond, I don't even know what to say, but I thank you guys so much. And this is my carrot oil here, is still frying. Look at how beautiful it looks. I like that beautiful clear yellow, yellowish looks. Look at that. Looks good, and it smells good too. So if you have any question concerning this DIY, please do hit me up on my comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe and also like and share my video. And thank you guys so much. I don't know how to thank you enough. Yeah, so I'm gonna just pause this and come back again when everything is ready, and I will take you through the process again. Thank you guys. Okay, so after squeezing out the oil, this is what I've come up with. There's a lot of beautiful coconut carrot oil in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and just add some glycerin in it, but this is optional. You don't have to do it. I'm just adding grizzling it for extra hydration and also for more benefit. And I'm also going to be putting my skin lightening vitamin E in it. Okay, but I'll walk you guys through it. So I'm just showing you that guide. I'm still letting it cool down. It's still low. So this is our carrot oil here. And I already put some of the mint tea that I'm going to use it for people who have acne skin that want to use acne prone skin. I'm going to put this, and also for any other skin can also just use it without the mint tea in it. So I'll just be putting them in these bottles, but I'll show you guys. I'll walk you through it. And this is my vegetable grizzling. I'm going to be adding it to my carrot oil. So that'll be that for now, and I'll bring you guys when everything is ready. I gotta do all these things. This is how it looks like. This is one for someone with acne. If you have acne, Instagram. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much, and have a blessed day. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. I hope you guys enjoy my video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please guys, subscribe, like, share, and give my video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Mwah. Love you. Bye bye.